Good day. We Dux Clharence Monteveros, May Abarra, Reposo, May Bejison, and April Joy Rosita. We are the grouper researchers, and we are here to present our group research entitled The Influence of Social Media Use on the Effective Communication Skills of Grade 12 Students of Jose Abad Santos High School.
We specifically chose this topic because it is not yet well researched and there are still a lot of research gaps that needed to be explored. In particular, we want to explore the influence of social media use on the effective communication skills of grade 12 students of Jose Abad Santos High School. This research is an eye-opener to us because it imparted knowledge and insight about how the different social media platforms affect the skills in the aspect of communicating. This is timely and significant to conduct, especially to us senior high school students. There are subjects that requires us to be better in terms of using, writing, and speaking in English to be able to interact with other people. However, despite the fact that it has numerous researches, there is no research that mainly focuses on the grade 12 students, especially in the strands of humanities and social sciences, HUMS, and science, technology, engineering, mathematics STEP. These topics that aren't yet explored or there are inefficient studies about it. Additionally, we want to contribute in the field of education towards the expansion of knowledge on this topic.
Online learning is the new normal when it comes to education. The students use various social media platforms to communicate with their teachers, classmates, and friends. These social media platforms, such as Facebook, Messenger, Instagram, Twitter, etc., are developing the skills in terms of communicating. They engage in a community wherein they can post, share, and comment their ideas, opinions, and perspectives in life. Equally important, it gives them the opportunity to learn new knowledge and gather information for their study. It is essential to enhance the skills and knowledge of the students, especially now in senior high school, wherein the subjects require communication and writing skills. Furthermore, they watch videos from the internet on how to communicate fluently, properly, and effectively. This is the purpose why the researchers conducted this study. The aim of this is to determine the influence of social media use on the effective communication skills of grade 12 in Jose Abad Santos Senior High School.
Statement of the problem number 1. What are the various social media platforms that affect the communication skills of the students? Table 2 shows that most of the students are always using different social media platforms. Also, 13% of them are often and 3% of them are sometimes. In conclusion, most students are always using different social media like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and more. In Table 6, 40% of respondents think that social media has a great impact on their communication skills. And 9 respondents often. On the other hand, 26% of respondents are sometimes and 3% seldom. This means social media platforms have impact on their communication skills. Statement of the problem number 2. What is the communication level of the selected senior high school student? As shown in Table 7, 10% of respondents, which is total of 3, think that social media makes them unconfident when talking physically. Among the respondents, 23% are often, while 56% of the respondents are sometimes. 6% or 2 are seldom and 3% are never. In conclusion, the confidence of the students in talking physically is affected by social media. If their confidence is affected, their communication skills will also be affected. Table 8 shows that 23% of respondents or 7 students say that social media makes them more fluent in English, while 30% say it often. Also, 43% of them are sometimes and 1 seldom. In conclusion, using social media will make them more fluent in English. This means social media helps them improve their communication skills. As stated in Table 9, 43% of the respondents or 13 students that social media helps them to enhance their communication skills. 30% or 10 students are often and 16% of them sometimes. Also 3% or 1 seldom and 3% never. This simply means that because of social media, most of the respondents have enhanced their communication skills. Statement of the problem number 3. Is there a significant relationship between the influence of social media usage and the communication skills of selected senior high school students? The table shows that the null hypothesis is rejected. The computed value that researchers obtained from Pearson R correlation is 0.106. This means there is a significant relationship between the influence of social media usage and the communication skills of selected senior high school students. Thank you for listening to our research video presentation. God bless you all and stay safe. Thank you.